Hi everyone, our Google Sheets widget has only been released for just under 2 weeks now, and we've already received such positive feedback. It's based on this feedback that we've been able to already make a new and improved version with the ability to display images through URL links in your Google Sheets page. So let me run you through how to use this new addition. Firstly, just some points to note. The website where you are pulling the image from needs to be publicly accessible in order for our servers to be able to access the data. The URL needs to be a link to the image itself, not to the website page that it's found on. So the URL will need to end in .jpeg, .png, .gif, or some other common image file format. We recommend hosting your own images to be safe, as they can be blocked, changed, or removed at any point from the owner of the site. You can just search image hosting and use one of the free sites to upload the image and grab the direct link. Cool, so let's jump into it. Firstly, you're going to want to grab the URL of the image that you're wanting to display. Here, I've just used one of the free sites when searching image hosting into Google, uploaded the image I want, and then I'm just going to copy the direct link here because as you can see, it ends in .jpeg. So you copy that one, head over to your Google Sheets document, and post that one into whatever cell it needs to be in. From there, jump over to your Fusion Signage portal and you're going to add the Google Sheets widget as you normally would. So head into Dynamic Widgets, Google Sheets, click on the Google Sheet config and add in your API key and your spreadsheet ID. Move it to wherever you want it. Change the column and the row to match where the cell is in the Google Sheet document. And then it's going to sit there as a URL. From here, you're going to go into this new image settings box up the top and switch display URL as image to on. And there you go, here you have an image in your designer. I hope you find this new addition useful, and if you have any questions or have any other feedback, feel free to send us an email at support@fusionsignage.com.au. Thanks guys.